Hello and welcome to another video, and we're going to be concentrating once again on Tasha's Cauldron of everything for this video, and we're going to have a look at the player or the character options that the player now has for customizing your origin. So the first bit of it is essentially just if you decide that you're going to be a dwarf, instead of accepting the dwarf standard ability scores, you can change those. So those are just edits to the character sheet, and the same thing for languages, proficiencies, etc., and personality. Well, what I want to look at particularly is this one here, the Custom Lineage, and effectively what this does is it gives you a variation and allows you to create really any kind of race that you like. They call it a lineage rather than a race, so it doesn't even need to be a race particularly. But the options here allow you a variety of choices on what you're able to do. So this has been provided as a race called Custom Lineage, and we can open it up and have a look at what it does, and it's just really the same sort of things as you expect to find in a race. Now you can use this as it is. It's perfectly usable just as it is, but the DM may want to edit this race in order to create their own. Since most of the work has already been done for you, it just requires a few little edits, and we'll show you how to do that in this video. So before we start, we want to take a copy of the Custom Lineage in the usual way, and then open that up, and we want to be editing the copy. And it's the usual thing, we just unlock. There's nothing really very much. You can change the text on the first page here. I mean, you could change the title, for example, to my race or whatever it is you want to call it. None of these things here, these are all just links. We need to go to the other tab, and this is where the edits will actually take place. Now we don't really need to do it very much here. The ability score increase is pretty set, and that's okay. We've got the creature type. You can edit this. It says you are humanoid, but other than that it's kind of left open to what you want to do. So if you wanted to edit this, you could take out all of this text if you like, and just add in more text to describe the race or whatever it is, the lineage. And that's it. It's a description. There's nothing really particular that Fancy Grounds does with this. It's just really there. The feat one is also fairly straightforward. You gain a feat of your choice for which you qualify. And then languages, you can edit this one. You can speak, read and write common and one other language. So if you wanted to take out this sentence here and then type in another language, and that's all you would really need to do in that, and that'll come up on the character sheet. Just like that. You can add more text after that if you want, but the important thing is you've got a line in there which says you can speak, read and write common and whatever language you want. The size, if we have a look at that, it says you're small or medium, so again you decide which size the creature is going to be, and just edit out the one that it isn't. So if we decide the creature is going to be medium, then we can just remove the small bit and the your choice in brackets, and just end it there. You're medium. If you wanted it to be small, then just edit out the other bits and make it read you're small. And the speed is not really needing touched. Base walking speed is 30 feet, so that's fairly standard. And the one that you'll need the biggest edits in really is this variable trait here. And we can see that we've got a choice between dark vision or proficiency in one skill of your choice. So the first thing we're going to do here, for reasons which will become apparent, is I'm going to change the title here. We're just going to call it skills. and we're going to give this race proficiency in one skill of our choice. So we need to delete from you gain, so everything after you gain all the way up to the B in brackets. Just delete that so that it reads you gain proficiency in one skill of your choice. And that's it. We are done. We can go into character creation. We can add a new character. We can drag in our race. We'll get the pop-up for whatever ability score we want, a pop-up for the skill choice, and we're done. So the dexterity has gone in, all our abilities have come in here, the language has come in, our skill has been made proficient, etc. So that's all well and good. Now if you're using this with the character wizard, if we open up the character wizard, we can see that the custom lineage is already in here, and all of the choices using the wizard, all of the choices are available. So when we click on custom lineage, we can see we've got the choice of making the creature small or medium. We've got the variable trait here. We can select dark vision, or we can select a skill. We can select our ability score. We can select our language. So all of this is in the character wizard, ready for you just to click and add into the sheet. If we open it up again, we can see that my race here, the one that we created, is also here, of course, and we can click on that, and we have got the same options for the things that we chose. We can see the medium went in automatically, the speed, the languages that we edited have all gone in, and we got the choice boxes for the ability score and the skill proficiency. So it's important in the My Race one to change the name of the skill proficiency one, because otherwise it might interfere with the one from the custom lineage one from the character wizard. So I think that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.